The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be Samsung's next traditional flagship phone. While there's next to nothing known about the premium phone at this point, a set of concept renders have now surfaced revealing what the Galaxy S23 Ultra looks like. Samsung is rumored to equip the Galaxy S23 Ultra with its new 200-megapixel image sensor, to build on its record camera resolution prowess that proved beneficial with the 108-megapixel sensors in the S-line flagships, their last two editions. A new Galaxy S23 Ultra design concept by Technizo fleshes out how such a giant sensor might look like next to the other camera paraphernalia. If a 200-megapixel sensor sounds like an overkill, let's remember that this is the maximum single camera resolution that chipsets like Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 support, and Samsung is nothing but maximalist when it comes to phones in its Ultra line. The magic of nanocell pixel binning will result in breathtaking pixel size on such a high-res camera, and Samsung proved that it can circumvent most of the pitfalls that giant camera sensors with tiny pixels represent with its 108-megapixel units. So we can't wait to see what the S23 Ultra camera will be capable of. Upcoming 200-megapixel flagship Samsung camera sensor on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Take a look at the concept where Samsung's mobile camera chief explains the features and advantages of its first 200-megapixel 1 isocell sensor that may end up in the Galaxy S23 series. As to what other design changes we'd expect from the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the S23 series in general, there are rumors for a quad-curved waterfall display, at least on the Ultra, as well as the following new hardware and software features: Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, Qualcomm X75G modem, 200-megapixel Galaxy S23 Ultra camera, 108-megapixel Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus camera sensor, quad-curved waterfall display design, 10Hz to 120Hz LTPO displays on the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus, Android 13 with One UI 5 on top. As the manufacturer of its own RAM memory and internal flash storage chips, Samsung can afford to be generous with its phone's gigabytes with the Galaxy S23. Samsung may finally break the cycle of 128GB starting storage, at least for the Ultra variant. The S22 Ultra was rumored to start from 256GB this time, but the speculation may hold water for its successor, which will have a much upgraded camera sensor that can capture huge single RAW photo files and breathtaking 8K video footage that will occupy a lot of space inside. So 128 gigs may simply not cut it this time. That is it, guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.